Ambassador, welcome. Thank you. Protocol observed.
I would like you to be briefed. The death of Majuda is being mourned by almost everybody in South Sudan. All the people of South Sudan, they really felt that they have lost a hero. As somebody who committed to this country with a lion heart, he fought for it and he died fighting for it. Personally, I was so touched. We were on the phone. His Excellency Vice President Bolmel also we was on the phone with him. All of us, we have been talking to Comrade General Majuda, all of us. There is one person, maybe you are not informed. There is a young man called Luke Buya. Luke was a nephew of Majur. He was the one who has been bringing water to him in the tank. There were 5. 4 were killed, he remained only. I just talked to him the day before yesterday. I didn't know that he was alive. He really helped. Majur died a hero. And we are proud of him. Number 1. Number 2, His Excellency President Salva Kiir is a man of peace. In 2016, when we were in J1, the fight that had happened in J1 in 2016, if it was not because of Salva Kiir Mayadi, I would not be here now, I would have been a dead person. Salva protected us, including El Bashar, including Doblam, who is now in prison. General Toy would have been a dead person. He protected all of us. I was expecting Comrade Vice President of the Republic, Dr. to do the same to Majuda, like what Salva Kiir did to him. I was expecting the same thing. But unfortunately, Majuda died a hero, a brave man. He did not surrender. But he has nothing to do with Nuer and Dinka. No. White Army is a criminal organization. We will deal with them, only them, not the community. And I have been engaging people in the diaspora. They have been telling me, Ezekiel, why are you bombing our people? I've been telling them now, where are you? You are in America? Okay, you organize a black army in America and go and attack Washington DC if they are not going to attack you. How can you expect the government of the Republic of South Sudan, and there is only one president of the Republic, Salva Kiir Mayadi, and he has to deploy his army in all the corners of the Republic of South Sudan to protect the territorial integrity of this republic. There is no exception. We are going to Burabiang, we are going to Jingmir, we are going to Akobo, we are going everywhere. And we are going and we are going. But for peace,
Thank you very much. Is protected under our sovereignty. Therefore, we have all the rights.